Hello everyone, this is Dr. Ipshita Borat from St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. I am an assistant professor in the Department of Mass Communication and Videography at St. Xavier's College, and I also head the Department of Film Studies at St. Xavier's College. Today we are going to talk about the course Sociology of Media. Now kindly note that the medium of instruction of this course will be English. The minimum criteria for taking up this course will be class 12, and the course will happen over the course of approximately 8 weeks. Also, this particular course has been curated keeping in mind students from diverse humanities background. After taking up this course, students are expected to be enriched, enlightened and more confident on the said subject. The course Sociology of Media is primarily meant to understand the correlation between the changes in media and the changes in society. So, as it is clearly understood, the course will have two parts. One is media studies, where you read and learn about the various aspects of media, and the other part is basically how the changes in the media will impact the changes in the society in general. Now, this particular course will be divided into several units, and these units being number 1, the introduction to the topic, number 2, theoretical approaches, and number 3, the old and new media. The entire topic, that is the entire course, will be then divided into approximately 20 modules, where each module will be one lecture. The course Sociology of Media is primarily dealt with the interplay between the changes in the media and the social changes. Now, there are two dominant understandings. One is that media is all powerful and therefore it can impact the society at large. The another understanding is media is not that powerful and therefore it cannot have the great impact on the society. Now, taking into consideration both these ideas, students will be taught in this course the various theoretical approaches, where students can then apply these approaches in their larger understanding of how media impacts the society.